Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be changing the brake light bulb on the 2004 to 2009 Dodge Durango. Let's jump into it. Now here's your taillight assembly. Now to remove the taillight housing, there are 2 tabs and 2 retainer clips on the top and bottom, which this one is missing. Now to pull out the retainer clip, you will need a panel puller or a standard screwdriver. Now using a panel puller, just push in behind the clip and pull out. Now for a flathead screwdriver, push behind and twist. Now, remove the retainer clip. Like I said earlier, there are 2 clips that go into the body. Now, you can just grab it and pull the taillight housing out. Just be easy because the clips are plastic. The top looks like it's already broke. So the bottom, I use a panel puller to pry it out. Now, some have an orange clip you have to pull up. Then press in here. Then pull up on the plug housing. Now I'm not going to fight with trying to push it in by hand, so I'll just take the flathead, push the clip in, and pull up, releasing the clip. Now, with the taillight housing removed, you will see 3 screws that need removed. 1 on top, 2 on the bottom, which you will need a Torex T20. Many call them star bits. Now, once you remove the screws, you will see 4 bulbs. The top is your brake and running light, then the plug, the side marker light, running light, and reverse light. I'm changing the brake light. The bulb I'm using is a Sylvania 3057. Put the new bulb in, then reassemble everything. Plug it back in, push the body clips in, reinstall the retainer clip, and your brake light works again. Now, hit that thumbs up if this was helpful to you. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. We make all types of videos.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.